Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, and I'm doing a new week of what I wore for the day. I just got back from vacation last night. I went to the gym for the first time this morning. I died, and then I went straight from there for food shopping, and I've been doing a lot of laundry since I returned home, and I think we're finally caught up now. Because I did a lot of things on vacation and did a lot of walking and just doing like some errands and catching up. I'm lying low today and I wanted to be comfortable. So what am I wearing today? Because it also is quite hot and humid outside. I am wearing this Michael Stars tank dress. It's just literally a throw-on t-shirt style or tank style. I have on my Somo racerback bra, so it should be hidden. And yeah, it's a sporty little tank dress and my little Gola sneakers that I wore to death on vacation. And this is what I'm wearing today. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Monday and it is unfortunately back to work for me today. So today I went to the gym. My legs are killing me from yesterday's workout, barely made it through today's. And here I am. What am I wearing? I am wearing this Thread and Supply button-down shirt. I am not a huge fan of button-down shirts, but this one is so soft. I can't even explain it. I got this in my Wantable. It's my first time wearing it. I decided to wear it because I saw Andrea from Dress Like You Mean It get the same top, and I believe she kept it for hers too. I would equivalent this to like a rail softness button-down top for much cheaper of a price. I rolled up the sleeves, but they're a regular button-down sleeve, and I have it paired with a loft skirt that is circa 2018, dark wash, buttons down the front, pulling a little bit because I ate a little too much on vacation, and I'm wearing my Circus by Sam Edelman sandals that are like a Tory Burch imitation. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, it is 7:35 in the morning and I went to the gym, took my shower, ate most of my breakfast. I'll eat the rest of it in just a minute, and got dressed. And I had a killer workout this morning. My legs are killing me. I overdid it the last couple days after being a week off from the gym for vacation. So thank goodness tomorrow is a rest day and I actually have to go into the office the next 2 days. Boo. Well, what am I wearing today for my day at home? So I actually have psoriasis on my knee and I've been putting cream on it, and I thought it would be best that I don't put any kind of pants over it so it rubs off on the pants. So that's why you've been seeing me in skirts the last couple days. This skirt is an eyelet skirt from Loft. It has a zipper in the back. And I wore it with my Gola sneakers that I got from a Stitch Fix. And the t-shirt is just a plain v-neck tee from Amazon Essentials. I really like their t-shirts. I get the slim fit and then I size up. I don't like buying my t-shirts boxies. I like them more fitted, but the regular extra small was just too small. But if I size up, it gives me the fit that I like. And with it, I have my Prosperity jean jacket, which I also got from Stitch Fix. Don't remember if it's a box or if I ordered it individually. Love this jacket. It has some stretch. It's very thin and lightweight. And yeah, and this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is 7 a.m. on Wednesday. My daughter's still sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet. I have to go to the office today. Wanted to come quickly here to show you my outfit. So today I'm wearing a White House Black Market chambray puff sleeve top that I've had for several years now, probably circa 2018. With it I paired a Loft skirt that is like an eyelet skirt with blue embroidery. This is a really pretty skirt. This is also probably circa 2018, 2019, maybe 2020, not sure. Again, it was purchased when I thought I was actually going to work, so it's hardly got any use. It's just a plain straight skirt, comes about like an inch above my knee, maybe 2 inches above my knee. And I have paired with them my Michael Kors brown sandals and a brown belt that I purchased like 9 million years ago. I have no idea where this belt came from. It might even come with a dress that I no longer have. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday. One more day left. And what am I wearing today? Today I went deep into my closet and found a skirt that I haven't worn in years. And I think this is my last time that I'm going to be wearing it because I just don't like it anymore. It's a little bit snug. It's a pull-on knit style, so it's supposed to be snug. It's not one of those loose flowy skirts. It's a pencil skirt of knit nature. And I'll stand back. It is from Loft. There's nothing really wrong with it. I mean, it is snug, but I think it's supposed to be this snug because, like I said, it's a pencil skirt. But what I don't like about it is that there's no kick pleat. So I have to kind of like walk like Morticia in this dress. So if it had like an opening in the back, I might have kept it. But between the fact it's tight and there's not much of a leg opening, I'm going to be getting rid of this. And it's a pattern I just don't love anymore. And it's from Loft and probably circa 2018. And one other little thing that I noticed on two of the flowers here, it almost seems like the black dye kind of moved on to the flowers. So again, it served its purpose. I don't know how often, I don't know if I even got my good number wear out of this, but I just don't love it anymore and it can leave my closet. So with it, I have paired this Sanctuary top. It's just a t-shirt material and it has like these like chiffon-like sleeves, very comfortable because it's a t-shirt material. This whole outfit is comfortable because again, it's a stretchy knit. I have paired on a pair of black shoes, which I know are dated and are probably chopping me off at the ankle and making me look shorter, and it's what every YouTuber says you shouldn't wear. But these are the black shoes that I have, and I like these black shoes and they're comfortable, so I will be wearing them. I probably should get a pair of more minimalistic black shoes, but right now I don't even leave the house, so I'm not gonna be out looking for those. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it's Friday, finally. It was a long week for me coming back from vacation. It was a full 5 days, plus I had the 1 day to go to the office, so I am excited. I had an outfit all planned out for today, but when I got back from the gym and took my shower, I looked at it, I'm like, I don't want to wear this. I didn't think, it didn't work for me. I liked both pieces, just did not like them together. So I threw this one on instead. So what am I wearing today? All right, today I'm wearing my Tarte collection top that I got from my Front Door Fashion. And it's sleeveless with a high neck, but the neck is very stretchy and it is polyester, and I was always trying to get rid of the polyester in my wardrobe, but I just find I gravitate to them because they have such pretty patterns and colors. With it, I have paired a denim skirt that I got circa 2018. I remember when I got this because it was on my 50th birthday. So that was 4 years ago. And I got this in Vegas at, I believe, the Banana Republic factory outlet. And yeah, I mean, I know this is an older style and you know, the new thing is to now wear the denim maxis. And while I absolutely love my trends, I love trendy items. Why do I love them? Because I like to add new things to my wardrobe all the time. And I don't like to have duplicates. But I don't do trends just because they're trendy. I have to buy them because I like them and I like them on me. And a long denim skirt will not look good on me. And it is not something that I am coveting this season. So if you like them, go for it, but it's one of those trends that I am not going to be indulging in. With it, I have my BP shoes from Nordstrom that I copied Lore from Little Box of Happy. And yeah, they're just a little slide-on sandal, and they're great. I love these shoes. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Good morning, everyone. Today it is 7:15 in the morning. I just got up, showered, got dressed, no gym today, and I'm going food shopping. I'm gonna come home and film some videos for you guys. I got stuff over there in the corner that you can't see, or hopefully you can't see. Just some odds and ends that I gotta do and put away and return. So that's my plan for today, and then I'm visiting my mother-in-law. So a lot to do this morning before I leave around 10:45 to go visit my mother-in-law. So that's why I'm here super early on a Saturday. So I have many different styles. You know, sometimes you see me with like a romantic outfit with like the square neck and the puff sleeves. Sometimes you see me in a preppy outfit like the Chanel jacket and the loafer shoes. Sometimes you see me in like a sporty outfit with like some stripes and, you know, and then other times you see me in like an edgy outfit, okay? And like, you know, my moto jacket, etc. Well, today I was feeling a little bit boho. So what do I have on today? So today I have on first my little dangly earrings here and the pendant necklace. And this is just a basic loft tank, and you can see a little bit of my bra through this one. This is a racerback, my Soma racerback bra, but you still can see it poke through on this one. But that's okay because I'll be wearing my trusty denim jacket over this in just a second. And I have on a skirt that I got from a Trendsend, I believe. It's by Z Supply. I believe I got it from a Trendsend. If not, I got it directly from Evereve. And I have it on with my Steve Madden slides, which I got years ago from a trunk club, but you can still get these, I believe, at Marshall's. I've seen them in my local Marshall's recently. And this is what my outfit today will be for shopping with my mother-in-law. Okay, so yeah, today I'm feeling a little bit boho-ish. And, you know, I know this isn't huge boho-ish, like not totally decked out, but it's a little bit boho. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Oops, coming back, I lied. Today is my last day of styling. Tomorrow will start a new week. So thank you for sticking with me and see you next week.